a good bowler and a good man. He was one of us. He was a man who loved the outdoors. And as a surfer he explored the beaches of Southern California. From La Jolla to Leo Carrillo, up to Pismo. From La Jolla to Leo Carrillo, up to Pismo. He died, so many young men of his generation before his time. Wisdom, Lord, you took him, just as you took so many bright, flowering young men. At Quezon and London, Hill 364. At Quezon and London, Hill 364. Theodore Donald Carabazos, in accordance with what we think your dying wishes might well have been. We commit final mortal remains to the bosom of Pacific Ocean. Commit your final mortal remains to the bosom of Pacific Ocean. Would you love so well? 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 Good night, sweet prince. Tonight